Well, bet you weren't expecting this, huh?
This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 39 and 57. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 59 and 74. Interstate 300
To 74.
in Pennsylvania between mile markers 48 and 84. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe
God
weather
dang.
by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter.
What is this, a free thunderstorm emergency?
Forecast for Pittsburgh
Oh,
and surrounding
that's
counties.
surprising. Okay, new alert. New alert. What is it? What could it be? What could it be? Okay, a severe thunderstorm warning. That's a surprise. I'm actually here for this one. Yay!
Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Washington.
Oh.
Following counties in West Virginia,
Brooke.
Brooke, and Ohio.
Brooke in Ohio, huh?
National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County and southwestern
Nah, it's a little too loud. There we go.
Southwestern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Well,
from
I'm
near
glad I'm
Imperial
able to
West
catch
Liberty,
these.
moving east at 15 miles per hour.
I'm gonna
Hazard,
turn
wind gusts
the light
to
on.
60 miles per hour.
Oh, crap.
Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees
There
and
you
power
go.
lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Washington, Canonsburg, West Liberty, Avella, Upper St. Clair.
I hope this will
Scott
make
Township,
up for the
Robinson
emergency alert
Township,
system content I have been
Norman.
lacking,
This includes the
really.
following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers
As
5
well
and
as
13.
Thomas content.
Interstate
I'll be sure to make
79 in
post more of
Pennsylvania
that.
between mile markers 37 and 59. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 55 and between mile marker 60 and 66. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast for Pittsburgh.
Well, that
and
was
surrounding
surprising.
counties.
Another alert! Okay, another severe thunderstorm warning. Epic! Epic. So, three severe thunderstorm warnings in one day.
Weather bulletin. For the
Well,
following
1 hour even.
Pennsylvania,
God
Allegheny,
dang.
Armstrong, Indiana, and Westmoreland.
Oh, you're reissuing it. Yeah, probably because it got more severe. You think?
Central Indiana County and West Central Pennsylvania, Eastern Allegheny County and Southwestern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Jefferson County and West Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Westmoreland County and Southwestern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Armstrong County and West Central Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of New Bethlehem to near Murraysville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Monroeville, Indiana, Punxsutawney, Vandergrift, Palmer City, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville, Clymer, North Apollo, Avonmore, Orchard Hills. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move
At this
indoors
point, you should be
immediately
calling
and
them
stay away
severe
from windows.
thunderstorm warning emergencies,
Thunderstorm lines can produce
if that
tornadoes
even makes
and
sense.
widespread wind damage. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
If they really had a doubleheader, I swear to God. Okay, I got, oh my God, a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my God, this is the first alert I actually got on my EH55 EP. Yay!
Indiana and West Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Penn Hills, moving east at 45 miles.
Wow, Penn Hills.
Hazard,
It's funny.
To 60 miles per hour. Source, radar.
Because it's like impacting my area.
And power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills.
Yeah, you said Penn Hills the first time. I heard ya.
The Keithsport, Jeanette, Apollo, Shaler Township, Plum, West Mifflin. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 45 and 69. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 58 and 60. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 62 and 84. The storm has a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Yeah, Twitter's toxic.
Weather bulletin.
Well, that went well. Okay, what is it now? What is it now? Another severe thunderstorm warning. Big surprise!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Fayette, Greene.
They say not to be near windows, but fuck it.
The following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, you keep canceling these warnings, yet the weather is getting worse.
South Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania. Western Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania.
Western Westmoreland. Redundant, much redundant.
Northwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania. Ohio County in northern West Virginia.
Crap! That went random.
Per hour. Source, radar.
Why does this keep happening?
Charleroi.
Give me a second. There we go.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor
Okay.
of the building. Please report
Alright, little reminder. Don't move the 120.
1988, posting to the National
Or just
Weather
don't
Service
touch it at all.
Facebook page,
Because
or use
I don't know what
Twitter
could
at
happen.
NWS Pittsburgh.
Double header! Double header! Another severe thunderstorm warning. I don't care. I don't care. This is my first double header.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Indiana, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Punxsutawney to near Blairsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Palmer City, Blairsville, Derry, Black Lick, Clymer, Avonmore, Salzburg, West Lebanon, New Florence, New Alexandria, Chevy Chase Heights. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262.
If I get a triple header, I'm gonna scream.
To the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message. Severe.
Okay, no triple header. I don't care. Another alert. This is why you don't pause your weather radio. Severe thunderstorm warning. I think this might be the 10th alert I captured. Maybe the 11th. But I feel honored.
In Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Fayette, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, north central Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
If this happens to be another doubleheader, I'm gonna freak out.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near White Oak to Monongahela, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour.
What could that be?
To 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact. Expect damage.
It's gonna be another doubleheader.
Resulting
Oh my
in
God.
power outages. Locations impacted include McKeithport, Jefferson Hills, White Oak, Clairton, Denora,
White Oak.
Glensport, Mount
It's just
Pleasant,
White Oak.
Scottsdale, Ewenwood, West Newton, Liberty, New Stanton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 44 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 69 and 84.
Huh.
Move to an
69.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by
I know
calling
this is supposed to be serious, but
412-262.
bruh.